Hey guys, so I am going to be trying out this hair paint wax. Now, I don't know if I've been seeing this all over Instagram and I've seen it on YouTube and I've been so excited and anxious to try it, so I bought it. And it actually smells like really good. It smells like a soft cream. There's no harsh ingredients that I see in here because of course, you know, I was really curious about that as well. I mean, you have like a lot of wax and beeswax, tea extract, castor oil, so really nothing too harsh. This is like their rose gold color. Take a look at that, like a purple rose color. So I wanted to try this out and share my experience because I know everybody's gonna be asking as soon as I post up a picture, how did you do that? I'm gonna try it. It's gonna be my first time and I'm excited to change up my color. As you see, my roots are a little dark and my hair down here is a little bit lighter. So I hope it just picks up evenly all the way around. But I've been watching a lot of tutorials, so I think I'm gonna be able to do this right. I'm gonna use Bounce Curls Clump and Defining Cream first, put it all over my hair, and then we're gonna go in with the color wax. This is such a good cream and I've been loving it every time I use it. This and the leave-in, I'm kind of torn. I don't know which one I like the most. But look at this slip, and you don't even have to use a lot. All right, so I'm gonna finish applying this to my hair and let's get to the coloring, right? Oh wait, and if you haven't yet, I hope you can like and subscribe. I mean, you've watched this far already. I know you're anticipating and waiting to see how my curls will come out. Keep watching, but make sure you subscribe. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Can't wait to see how this comes out. Yee! Okay, so you guys, I recommend you to just put a regular t-shirt on, a shirt that you don't care about, lazy day t-shirt. This is mine. I don't want to stain any of my shirts. I don't know how well this comes off. It does say that it's a temporary paint, so, you know, just being cautious. All right, so I would wear gloves, but I'm just gonna do it with my hands. Start at the bottom and work our way up. Oh my God. This is so cool. And I love that it's a temporary color so I can wash it out, but ooh, look at it. Oh my God. It smells really good. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't wait to finish now. I've never seen myself with this color hair. All right, so I'm gonna diffuse real quick and see how this comes out. I don't know if I should add any more to my roots. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, I just want to dry my hair at this point because I want to see how this comes out. So it came off my hands pretty well, by the way. I just used dishwashing soap. Let's see how it looks. So my hair is a little stiff from the wax, but oh my God, hold on. Let me try fluffy. I'm gonna try to fluff it. It's so like tight They feel like they're all clumped together. By the way, I have like a lot left over, so I feel like I can use this several, probably like 3 more times. But this right here, oh my god, I love it though. I've been wanting to switch up my hair color and I've been getting tired of it, and I like this a lot. All right, let's fluff it. All right guys, so this is it. Oh my god, and I love it. Wow. I look like a whole completely different person. Is it Brenda, Letitia? Should have added this in that video. Oh my god. Let's see the back. So I fluffed it a lot. It's poofy in the back, but I love it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cool. And the fact that I could just wash it out and do it again. Well, there you have it. I jazzed up my curls in a different color. So I had to fluff it out because it was feeling really stringy and waxy, and it kind of still feels like that, but now it has like that fluff because I blow dried it a little bit more so I could just have them loosen up and have my curls like get fuller, because I felt like it was really stringy at first. But now I love it, and I think I want to order another one. Now I want to experiment. What other color do you guys want to see me do? Make sure you drop a comment, let me know, because I'm about to order some more. I don't know what colors I want to order, but I like this. And I like that you can just wash it out, and you know, you don't have to like worrying about going to the salon, dyeing your hair. Oh my god, I'm so excited guys. So yeah, this is my end results. Oh my god, I could totally keep it this color. Y'all been asking me to switch it up. Well, here you go. Switched it up on y'all. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I know I don't post frequently, so make sure you turn on the bell notification so you see this video. But trust me, I am going to be posting more, so thank you Hair Paint Wax for creating this, because seriously loving it, and it doesn't damage your curls, so I would say it's curly girl friendly. I recommend you guys doing this. This is so much fun. I'm really loving my results, and I'm gonna keep this in for a while. But of course, I'm gonna probably wrap my hair up because I have white satin pillowcases. So be mindful that it does still kind of bleed. Make sure, you know, I hope it doesn't bleed on the shirt. But, you know, be mindful of what you're wearing when you do your hair like this. I love it though. Oh my god! Alright, so make sure you guys drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think and what other colors I should try, because I definitely want to try more. I love experimenting, and I recommend you guys to experiment. Switch it up, you know? Have fun with your curls. Just make sure you're not damaging it, okay? So there you have it guys. These are my results using the hair paint wax. Oh my god. I love it. I actually want to order some more now. By the way, I got a code so you get 10% off if you want to try it out too. Yep, so this is what you get and all that jazz. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.